Alright guys, this is my first unboxing video. I just got the Blue Yeti X microphone and I'm super excited. Ooh, it even says Discord certified. So this is, I guess, I was told is one of their flagship models. The ultimate microphone for creating and streaming. It has all the streaming. You can currently hear my air conditioning in the background. So it says this feature is custom 4-capsule condenser array for greater focus and clarity, high-res LED array around the knob here that helps you visualize your voice level, multifunction smart knob controls, headphone volume, mic gain, blend, and mute, Blue voice broadcast vocal effects including streamer and podcaster presets, customizable lighting for personalizing your microphone, and 4 versatile pickup patterns, cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo, which I'll get into that in a moment. I couldn't find anything small to unseal this, so I brought my ruler. My ruler I got from art school. It has my name on it. Alright, so let's get this unboxed. Had to adjust the angle really quick. Should I do it upside down? There are many people that say, oh, you could get better microphones than this if you're streaming professionally, but at $160 I think it's professional enough. And there's another seal. Okay. That obviously it opens here. Ooh, what are these? What are these? Compatible with, I don't know any of those. So it kind of tells you the controls and what they do. You can kind of see it there. So this one knob does everything. There's only one knob on this thing. And it has your connections. Plug your headphone in and micro USB to connect to your computer. With these microphones, you're supposed to hold it upright. If you angle it and try to talk in the top, it will not capture your voice. Safety, warranty information. Oh, this is nice thick foam. If you're a pack rat, you can reuse this for something. And inside, we have the beautiful microphone. Let's take this out. Ooh, this is heavy. I hope the angle is okay. Yeah, this lighting could be better. I'm sorry. I couldn't change it much. You can see my desktop here. So this is like how big it is. Very sturdy, it's very heavy. It has a padded bottom, which already got full of hair. I have cats. It's looks like it's metal. This is the knob. So it's a button press. You can press it for the different functions and turn it. Once you have it plugged in, it's gonna light up. This is the pattern button. So you can press this, and that will change kind of which direction you can speak into. So you can make it so where you can talk just right in front of it right here. And that's all that it picks up. If there's any noise like around here, any noise like white noise, background noise, it will not pick that up. So that's an amazing feature. So this really rotates. Oh my god. It goes like all the way. I love it. Oh yeah, that's one thing. If you try to pick it up like this, my finger automatically goes to this button. So you have to be really careful when you pick it up. It might be best to pick it up like this to move it or rotate it. And it's pretty sturdy too. This is a humongous mouse pad that I have that it's sitting on top of. So when you move it around, like it's really hard to move it. I'm sure if it was on like a hard surface, it might move it more easily, but it's pretty steady where it's at. So if you press the pattern button again, I don't know the order because I haven't even messed with this yet, but there's an option to speak into both sides. Like this side, you can't even, I'm sorry, my angle is a little weird. Let me move the camera back. That's better. So if you press the button again, like I said, you can have an option to speak into these sides. If you press the button again, like there's an option to have it all completely open to where audio will pick up all around it. So it's really versatile. I really like it, and the quality is much better than this microphone I'm currently using, which is I forgot what it was. CAD U1. I thought I paid more for this little microphone, but apparently it's only $20 online. Let me get this out of the way. This anymore. And I thought the quality of this was good, and it is. As a very, very entry-level microphone, in this little package it came with, we have the micro USB, so it's like standard standard cable that's like, you know, a 15-year-old or more design. Everything should have USB-C by now. Everything should have USB-C by now. I don't understand it. And this just released, what, last year? Fall of last year or something like that. So the bottom, like the diagram showed, we have the plugins, what do you call them, outlets? Sorry, my angle is really bad. Quickly set this up because I need to stream soon. So we can do that. We can feed the cable through the back, which is really cool. I've never done an unboxing before, please forgive me. Other than that, I think there's nothing else in this box. Oh, silica gel, that's what's in there. Yep, that's it, just foam. So I'm gonna put everything back in here. And that's it. So next I will have a recording of the quality of this microphone versus the Blue Yeti. And we'll compare the audio really quick. See if it picks up the background AC that I have running. Alright guys, I'm speaking about 1 foot away from the surface of the microphone. I already tested it previously right before this, and I can tell the audio is much, much better. So I'm absolutely in love with this. This is definitely one of the best purchases I've made for a long time. I feel like it's very high quality and that it will benefit me very well in my streams. So I definitely recommend this if you have a few extra dollars to throw around. So yeah, that's my review of the Blue Yeti X. It's not much of a review as much as an unboxing, but I just wanted to also throw in here that the quality is terrific in my opinion. Much, much better than the cheap microphone I had before. So yeah, while I'm here, if you would like to check out my other videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you subscribe, it would help me so much because I'm really trying to grow my channel. As you can see, I'm trying to get all of these peripherals and accessories to help me improve the quality of the content that I put out to you guys. Alrighty, I will see you in my stream that I'm starting very shortly actually. But this video is going to come out after that, of course, because it's recorded separately. Alright, bye guys.